Welcome to another video. In this video, we will show you how to lock any app with Face ID or passcode in iPhone. It's simple and easy. So let's get started. Open Shortcut app from home screen of your iPhone. From here go to Automation, click on Create Personal Automation. From here click on App. From here you can search for any app you want to protect. Let's select this one. Then click on Next. Click on Add Action. Search for Start Timer. Write 1 second here and click Next. Uncheck this button and click Done. So this is how we can lock any app with Face ID or passcode on iPhone. Let's check the lock. Open app and here we can see that it's locked, so there you have it, simple and easy method to lock any app on iPhone. We hope you like the video and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.